Hi everyone, welcome to Allwin's woodworking showroom. Today I'll introduce to you our new product. This is a 12-inch variable speed drill press. The biggest feature of this drill was with the DRO here. And you can change the speed by this knob. You will have the real speed watching to show here. It has a 16mm track, and the distance from the drill to the road was 6 inches, and it with a 500 watts powerful induction motor. Now I will show you how this DRO works. Okay, here is the drill speed, and you can adjust it. Now the number is changing. This is the deep stop. You can set to any deep you want to drill. Here is a cast iron table and with extension rod. You can drill long wood by support of this here. Here is another two features. One is the light. It has LED light. Another is the laser. By the laser can indicate the actual address of the hole. Now I will show you a drill with the laser. By the helping of this laser, you can see it's a perfect hole here. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. See you next time.